Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell you how to install CocoaPods into your project, into your Mac. So actually if you previously init successfully your pod file, so here you can see it. I successfully init pod file, so just write cd and wait the folder you want to init pod. So after just write pod init, and after it will successfully init pod. So after just go to Finder. In the Finder you just need to open your generating pod file, and now you just need to add here under use frameworks, just inputs for your and name of your project. Here you need to add frameworks you want to install, and after you also just need to write pod install, and after it will successfully install all components to your project. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel if you like, and bye.